All right, so right now I'm here at the Prestige Pro Care, and I'm about to drop off my car. And here you can see they're working on like a bunch of cars, like not just low end but high ends. Tesla Model S, and I believe this guy's coming from Arizona for here.
That's a Plaid.
And there's a Plaid over here, Model X waiting to be worked on as well too. Beautiful cars. So here's like a Model Y over here. Over there we got a Porsche over there, a Lexus, Bronco over here.
911 Turbo.
Yeah, 911 Turbo. There we go. And this is, I think, PPF already done already. Beautiful. Nice. So hopefully they're working my car soon, and hopefully I'll pick it up tomorrow. This is Joe. Beautiful.
What's up, guys?
Say hi, Joe.
Ciao, Hwy Ste.
Ciao, Hwy Ste. It's Vietnamese. I'm surprised. Be very nice. They're all packed up right now. Yep.
So Joe has a Tesla, and he put his golf clubs in the back with a blue towel, the dye and the blue towel.
And seat fenders.
All right, so Jay was cool. He told, I told him I have no car, and I asked him if I could wait over there at his shop, and he said he'll try to get my cars done by tonight. And he was like, you know what? Don't worry, John. I have one of my guys take you back home, and one of his guys, Joe, was really nice. Just dropped me off. So they said they're gonna try to work on it and have it done by tonight. So hopefully, maybe 7 or 8 o'clock, the car will be ready. They call me and then I'll go there and pick it up. But so far, attitude, service looks really good, and they have great cars over there, like expensive cars over there. And I'll keep you guys posted, okay? Okay. So we're here at the shop.
He really bought his donuts for a while.
It's completed.
Save it for tomorrow. Oh, save it for tomorrow?
You gotta eat it. It's good tomorrow.
Yeah. That's true. So, you're going to Vegas. It shouldn't be raining over there, but if it does, then
Is this peeling right here?
it's not wrapped.
Or is it just...
It's not wrapped over here. Oh, this is that film? Yeah, it is.
Is that film? Just probably film, huh? Yeah. Nice. Beautiful. Wow. Pretty fast. Like what, 6 hours? 5? 6 hours?
Yeah.
Alright guys, here's the shop. So they stayed late for me. They're really nice. There's a little bit of imperfections, and I talked to Jay and I asked him, and he actually took care of it. As a business owner, you know, you got to do what you got to do. You know what I mean? Yes, and he made it right. So, but right now it's kind of dark, so I can't really see everything. So I'm just gonna go back, wait till tomorrow, then that way we can see it clearly. But from lights up now, looks really nice. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. So today is the next day, and I picked her up last night. So I don't know if you can see, but there's still a little bit of air bubbles, but the owner said it's okay, it's gonna dry off. And I did the front, the full front, so which covers the bumper, the 2 fenders, the whole hood, along with the mirrors. And he did, the owner threw in the A-pillar as well, and he also hooked me up with the this one right here, the shark, I think like the tail fin or the shark fin, whatever that is. There we go. So, oh, and the headlights as well too. So it I got the Xpel Ultimate, I think. It'll come with the 10 years warranty. This one. There's a little bit of like little air bubbles or potholes or air bubbles, I think. You can see the A pillars here. There we go. And the owners and his crew, they're very easy to work with. Like I was saying last night, there was a little bit of rocks here, a little dirt, and he actually spent the time and helped me corrected it. So there she is. Is she beautiful or what? Okay. So Jay's shop is that's the owner's name, Prestige Pro Care, and he's been doing it for at least 20 years. So you guys in the area, he's in San Dimas. So you guys in the area, you guys, you know, want to need your car to be wrapped up or to PPF, you know what, I'll leave all the information in the description part. But you know, I suggest all of us, all the Tesla's owners, because I heard that the paint is really bad. So, and I want to protect my investment. This is like a $70,000 car. So I don't want anything to happen to the front end of it, knock on wood, you know, but at least we get protected. So, and I think it also add values to your car as well. So I was debating whether should I do it or should I not. So, and you know what, I finally pulled the trigger. I might as well, because my plan is to keep this car for at least like 8 years at least, or whenever it breaks down. So that's it. So thanks for watching. If you guys also, I want to bring this to you guys. So Tesla's also giving the discount on the Model X and the Model S for $7,500 as well. So those of you guys out there that are still looking for a vehicle and you want the discount, might as well take advantage of it. Okay. And last night I checked and they still have a lot in the inventory, a lot of demo models. But if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you love the channels, you know, if it helped you some way, somehow, please subscribe. But my goal is to get to 10,000 subscribers, guys. So far, almost 3,000. Thank you very much for those that subscribe. And thank you very much to those that are watching as well. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.